with Tassie!
Welcome back to Alphabet Storytime. Today's tale begins with the lovable, lively letter L. Let's say it together. L, L. Meet Lulu the lion. She's loud, loving, and loves to learn. She lives near Lemon Lake, right beside the Laughing Library. One lovely morning, Lulu had a learning idea. I'll visit the Laughing Library and read every L book I can find. She leapt with excitement.
Lulu loves the library, filled with tales to see. A llama reads of lemons, happy as can be. A ladybug paints in lavender, colors bright and true. A leopard plays a lullaby, just for me and you.
Then, Lulu found the learning lounge, full of laughter, lanterns, and more. And lollipops. Everyone gathered to read and sing. L is for lion, library, and learning. What a lovely library adventure! Lulu the lion showed us how lovable the letter L can be. Can you think of more L words? Let's keep exploring.